Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need Excel updated and the workbook open. Once done, select the cells or the whole sheet you want to check. Next, go to the Review tab and choose Spelling, or simply press F7 for the quick path. This kicks off Excel's built-in spell checker, which compares words to the dictionary and suggests corrections. Make sure automatic proofing features are enabled, otherwise you'll only run manual checks and miss real-time suggestions. Once the basic check runs, make sure proofing settings match your needs. Go to File, then Options, then Proofing. Here you enable check spelling as you type for live feedback and choose custom dictionaries to accept domain terms. If you work with names or technical words, add them to a custom dictionary so Excel stops flagging them. Also adjust language and autocorrect rules. This improves accuracy and prevents repeated false positives during future. To finish, run a full workbook spell check from Review Spelling so no sheet is missed. Accept, change, or ignore suggestions as you go, and save your workbook when complete. If Excel seems to skip cells, check Format Cells Protection to ensure Do Not Check Spelling is not enabled, and verify the language setting for those cells. If problems persist, restart Excel after updating proofing options. This often reloads dictionaries and clears transient issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.